So we're talking about tires. We're in here for the 10,000K service, and Brian's looking at our tires. Of course, this is the stock OEM tire that came on it,
yes,
which is the Dunlop. And we're going to check the tread depth, right?
Yeah.
Let's see where we're at.
so sitting at 530 seconds.
530 seconds. So we got a little, what was the mileage on this? Do you remember?
11,189.
So we're a little over 11,000 miles, and we're over halfway into the front tire.
Yep.
Yeah. So this could be run more if we were needing
Yes.
to, you know.
Yes.
So I guess now we'll go to the rear and check it out and see what depth we are on that.
Yeah.
We have a lot of people ask about tires all the time.
Yeah.
So this is going to give you kind of an idea of what we've wore on this tire so far.
Sitting at 430 seconds.
430 seconds. So what's your opinion on that?
You run on this tire a little longer.
Yeah.
We recommend replacing at 330 seconds.
330 seconds.
So you got a little bit more to run on this tire.
We're getting
but we're gonna
close.
start thinking about
A tire. And then you would say I need to replace this before our next service. Somewhere in between.
Yes, you won't get another 5,000 miles out of this tire.
And then what we were also talking about earlier is y'all recommend having matching tires.
Yes, you want to match. We recommend matching them.
Right.
Some people out there don't.
Right.
We recommend if you're gonna have a Dunlop on the front, run one on the rear.
Right.
Or if you have a Michelin on the front, run a Michelin on the rear.
So what's on your opinion, what do you think, what tire would you put on? Knowing what we do and how hard we run.
I'm a fan of the Dunlops.
Yeah.
I've had good luck out of the Dunlops. You can run a stock OEM Dunlop, or you could run a Dunlop American Elite. They're a dual compound tire.
Right, we talked about that earlier because we'd run the American Elite, and I actually like those tires a lot, and they were affordable too.
Yes, they are.
Which a Michelin, you get into some money.
Yes, you do.
Really quickly on a Michelin. Well, I know about tires.
Yeah.
Hope that helped out a little bit. You've seen in this video where we got a new tire. We got the stock OEM tire from Denney's because that's what they had on hand. We went ahead with the Dunlop again. That's what we've got on front. We got about halfway, a little over half on the front. Decided to go ahead and replace that rear. Knowing 2,000 miles, we could do that in one run. We didn't want to put a tire out on the road. So with variables with tires can vary. I'm sure there's going to be some of you guys out there said, oh my God, you should have got more miles out of it. I ought to got more miles out of it. Well, that may be true. But the thing of it is, like I said, it's variables. And variables are how aggressive you are, say, from takeoff on your tire. I am not an aggressive rider like that, but one thing that where we do pay, and everybody pays somewhere or another. For us, it's going heavy. We're always loaded, and we're putting a lot of miles on. So I believe right in there is where we ate a little bit more of that tire up than a lot of people would. Also, I'm going to tell you, we all know this, to get the ultimate tire wear out of it is by tire pressure. You should check your tire pressure every time you get on that bike. I don't do that. I don't climb up under that damn bike, and I don't check that tire every time we get on it. I'll just be honest. When we went in, I think I was 1.5 pounds low. So when I go up there, they check everything. So, you know, you personally may get a shit ton more miles out of that tire. This is what we got out of it. Like I said, we could have got more, but we opted to go ahead and put a new tire on. Well, that's the mileage we got out of that first rear tire. Let's see what we do with this next one. I want to take this minute and thank Denney's Harley-Davidson of Springfield, Missouri for the constant support and keeping us out there and going hard on that road. Also, if you guys like this kind of content, go check out our other videos. Steph and I are running all over the place, showing y'all some cool stuff that we're getting into. And like always, you guys stay ornery.